Hello! Welcome to my channel! My name is Claudine. Thank you for all my subscribers there. I'm here in Germany, in Hamburg. Then I just bought yesterday a new laptop. And I bought this in Saturn. Then this one, I have a LENOVO. I have a branded LENOVO. Then it made from Chromebook. Then this one, it cost 600 euro before, but I've just bought this at 399 euro only this week because they have a what do you call that, sale only this week. Then it will back to normal price again. And then this is the receipt. It's cost 399 euro. Let me to unbox this one. And it is LENOVO 340-15 13-8130U 4 gigabytes or 120 gigabytes EM. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited because this one is a new one and almost latest. So let's unbox this. And this, I bought this in Saturn. Imagine I go to Saturn. Joke. Wow. This one is having a new laptop is wow. And this one is, they have a sticker. They sealed it. So, it's so hard. Because maybe I'm too excited. Wow. Woohoo! See? It's the LENOVO. Next time I take a review for this laptop. Wow, it's a metal gray. It's a metal gray. This one. I will read this later. What? We have a laptop here and with Chromebook. And then what's that inside? We have a guarantee card, but it's in German. They said we have only 1 year warranty. And we have an adapter. See? So we put this again. Have adapter, only adapter. Then let's try this. Wow, it's a new one. It's It's my first time. After 9 years, I have a new laptop. Yay! Wow. See? They have a protector. Then, this one. Woohoo! Yes! I'm so happy. But of course, it's not yet charged. It's Intel. They said it's Intel Core i3 8th generation. Not bad. It's good. Okay, this is the power. I think it's low bat, but I will charge first. Then let's see together. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that and ring the bell so that when I have a new video, you will notified. So thank you. God bless you all. Enjoy your life. Hello, I'm back again. Just a few minutes, I just want you to see uh, what it looks like. It says Willkommen in Germany. It's welcome. And then we change this in Deutsch. This is not the review yet, but I just want you to see how it works first. Okay? Then this one, you can do it by tablet, as a tablet. Wow, you have a big tablet. Oh my gosh. You can do like this. And this one is a touch screen. You see? We can change this in English. English first, you know. So it's not so complicated. English. Where is the English? Wow, we have plenty English here. Of course, I like USA first. Canada, it's okay. Ah, we have English Philippines, yeah. See? We have English Philippines. Wow! We're good in English. You know, English. Okay, this one. The United Kingdom, I don't, it's okay also. But we try another. Where was that? It's hard to have a touch screen, yeah? Oh my gosh. Give me. Yo. I'm so excited. Yeah, this one. And then I changed in English and keyboard. Of course, also English US international. Okay. So it's English now. And this is the camera. Excuse me. Let's go. I want to connect. I think it's public. Because we have free Wi-Fi here. That's why. And thanks to our boss for having our Wi-Fi so strong now. Okay. Just wait and wait. See, you can do like this. Wow, it's so nice. Yeah, laptop like this, like a tablet. Oh, wow. It's so sharp. It's, they said it's connected, but maybe I need a, maybe I need to log in. I log in first. Yeah. Wow, so it's like in the mall, like a big laptop, you know. Where is that? I didn't see. I'm so excited. Oh, yeah, that one. I see. Technology nowadays is very, very high. Later I will try, but what important is I can show you what is latest now. Yeah, laptop that you can, laptop at the same time, a tablet, and this one is manufactured in 2020, and it's a built-in battery. Next time, let's make review for this one, so you will know what's inside. Okay, so thank you again. God bless you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy your life.